Hey gang, in this video I'm going to be talking to you about why you should be using a ZeroWater filter. Again, in this video I'm going to talk to you about why you should be using a ZeroWater filter. Hey gang, it's LT here with LT Fit. I just want to remind you, subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, if it adds value to you, definitely like this video because I would really appreciate that. I'm going to pick up a ZeroWater filter. It's actually certified to reduce lead. I'm going to show you the Brita filters. They're not actually certified to reduce lead. They reduce some things. Hey gang, this is the ZeroWater filter. This is what I use to make sure I'm drinking clean water. Most water filters do not eliminate lead. This one eliminates lead among many other things. It has a 5-level system of cleaning. As you can see, this filter is pretty big. Most filters that go in a picture are probably like this. If you can see, this thing is gigantic. That means that before the water hits this container, it goes through this big system and it has 5 different levels of cleaning. Okay, so very important. This is very important. You can get this right from Walmart or you can get it online. You can actually taste the difference if you compare this to your Brita water or any other water filter you're using that doesn't eliminate lead and among other things. This is one of the best ones that I've seen that you can get in the picture that actually eliminate lead and a ton of other things in addition to chlorine. So check out their website, ZeroWater. You can get it from Walmart. I'll show you another slide how it looks, the 5 system that it cleans in, but definitely this is how I drink my water. If you're trying to be healthy and fit, you got to be drinking good water because your body is made of mainly water. So if you're not putting good water in, then wow, it's going to be pretty hard to be healthy. All right, gang, here I go. I'm going to get some of this good old water from my water filter. All right. As you can see, I'm getting some good old water here. Yes, yes, yes. I got it in there, the ZeroWater. Taste the difference of that refreshing water. Nothing better than that, boy. Woo! Gotta get your ZeroWater, baby. Thanks for taking the time to look at this video about the ZeroWater filter. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm always going to be bringing you some serious fitness and nutrition tips that help you impact your life. Now, this video add value to you. Definitely like this video, okay? And then if you are using a different water filter, comment below. What water filter are you using? Are you even using a water filter? All right, I would love to hear from you. Have any questions, let me know. I will answer back if you leave me a comment. I look forward to helping you and give you more fitness tips. It's LT Fit. Have a nice day.